Well, basically, they want to build on this land northeast of the Publix between the highways 119 and 280, some active adult units, some standard apartment units, a hotel, and restaurants and shops. But about 1,000, actually, it's up to more than 1,200 people have signed a petition fighting the project because they fear it will impact their quality of life. This vacant lot may not look like much, but EBSCO has big plans for this Tattersall Park spot. 300 residential units, a 125-room hotel, and a handful of restaurants. However, the land is currently zoned commercial.
It has been zoned this way to benefit the community. EBSCO is looking to change that. They're looking to change it to residential, and that does not benefit the community.
Ashley Lavelle lives less than a mile from the proposed development. When she found out about the apartment component of the project, she decided to fight it.
I started the petition because I wanted something to be able to represent how the community feels, not a developer.
So far, more than 1,200 have signed her petition. Lavelle is worried when you couple EBSCO's 300 units to the new Whitby apartment homes on the other side of 119.
You have this tiny 2-lane road on both sides of that intersection having an influx of 600 people, and that's if they only drive one car.
In its rezoning application, EBSCO says the project will have a positive impact by way of revenue generation and development that will be unique to the city. But Lavelle is not sold that such high-density housing is good for her community, and she hopes city leaders are paying attention to their pleas.
The community is speaking, and the councilmen need to listen to us. The commission needs to listen to us.
None of the city councilors we reached out to could talk about EBSCO's rezoning plan before tonight's vote. Now, that zoning commission meeting is expected to kick off in the next 25 minutes inside City Hall. Lavelle says she expects a number of those folks that have signed that petition to show up tonight to speak against the project. Now, if it is approved, if the rezoning is approved tonight, the full city council must also sign off on the project. Live in Hoover, John Papke, WVTN 13.